Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the core Google components. Go to Settings, Apps, and enable any disabled entries for Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services Framework. You do this because those apps provide the store UI and backend authentication. Without them, nothing will install. Once done, open Accounts, sign into your Google account, and make sure Sync is enabled. This restores the permissions, and credentials the Play Store needs to appear and function on your device. Next, repair the installed components. Clear cache and storage for Google Play Store and Google Play Services to remove corrupted data. This forces fresh initialization. If you face version conflicts, obtain the matching Google Play Services APK for your Android version and install it. This resolves compatibility problems that prevent the store from launching. Then reinstall Play Store updates via Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow 3-dot menu, right arrow Uninstall updates. And let the system reapply updates so the app matches the services you just fixed. Finish by rebooting your device, then open the Play Store so you can accept terms and allow initial updates. This finalizes registration. Make sure date and time are correct and your internet connection is stable, because authentication fails when clocks are off. If the store still won't appear, clear data for Google Services Framework and reboot once more. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to restore missing system components. Tip: always back up before any reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.